Hi everyone, hope everyone is doing fine today. Here is Abdul, and today we have another unboxing. As you might know or not know, I make unboxing watches, videos, reviews, watch versus, so comparing watches together. I do some sponsored material where companies send me watches. Most of my content is watches that I own, watches that I get from loan, like from this one, thanks to Harum from Watchmade, or watches that I can get my hands off and then return without any fees on my side. So basically, you will find everything, but I always say beforehand. So this watch is lent to me by Harun. Thank you so much. I'll be returning it in a week or so. I will be doing a unboxing video and then maybe a versus video with another dress watch. I already did an unboxing video of this one, the Kamasu, the Orient Kamasu. Pretty cool watch and really nice bracelet. By the way, strap code, really good. Didn't expect it to be that good, but it is that good, I have to say. Feels great on the wrist. So, back to the watch of today. We have this Orient Bambino. Here is the original strap. As you can see, Harun has also the same taste as mine. He doesn't like OEM straps, and I can totally understand him as well. I have the same thing. Can't stand OEM straps or OEM bracelet that aren't good. So let's take these off so we can put them back again. Wow, this strap is really nice. It's from Hirsch. It's called Leaf, brown leaf. So it has here that leaf pattern on the upside, and on the downside you have rubber. So you have here the Orient with the reference number FAC00009N0, which has a 40.5 millimeter lug width. Let's check this out. So here's 40.5, almost 40 actually. Lug to lug is 46. Thickness 13 millimeters. Has a lug size of 20 millimeters, right? 21, yes, 21. And has a hacking hand winding. Let's move the hands to the 10-10 position. You have the date on the 3 o'clock, has a beige off-white dial, no loom, so pretty much a dress watch, and polish all over, so polished case, sides, a little bit of brushing on the side as you can see, signed crown, see-through case back with the Orient movement, which we will be testing in the review video of this watch, or maybe the versus one will cover it. But this strap is really nice. I should definitely get in contact also with Hirsch and try to see if I can get my hands on one or more of these straps to try them out. So let me show you on my wrist how this would look like. Put this here, put this on my wrist. You have to congratulate Harun on his excellent taste in straps as well, because this strap makes the watch look so much nicer than it is actually. It's a nice watch, don't get me wrong, but this strap makes it just on point, I have to say. As you can see on my wrist, I have a 17 centimeter wrist, 17.1, depending on after the weekend or before the weekend. But I have to say it looks really nice. Really, really nice on my wrist. Side profile from this side, from that side. It gets back to the watch. I think I'll do a in-depth watch comparison, maybe with one of my Automatik dress watches, and compare it in similar priced watches. I think this is around 100 170 at the moment, so affordable segment. Really nice watch. Orient makes great watches. Quality is there. You have an automatic movement, a bit loud rotor, but that's to be expected. But this strap is definitely worth the upgrade if you're going to upgrade. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. Thanks Harun for lending me this watch to try it out. And be sure to subscribe, hit the bell button, press the like if you like this content. And as always, if you have any comments, questions, leave them in the comments section below. And you'll find here the button to subscribe. And you will find 2 videos that might interest you as well. So hopefully see you in the next one and have a great one. Bye bye.